Right now with meteorologist Kaylee Bowers. You know, it was interesting. We were talking about the Northeast experiencing the most snow in about 4 years. I wonder if that's the same case for us here.
Yeah, Melissa, we are tracking a decent amount of snow on the way. Just gotta get there first. I know we've had people on social media say, where's the snow? Well, this is it right out here in the Central Plains in the Four Corners region. That's the system that's developing right now. So you can see a good portion of the country not seeing the snow just yet, but it is on its way. Now, one thing that we are focusing on right now is the cold. I want to widen out the bigger picture because we're seeing this dip from this front that pushed through earlier this morning. It's 4 right now in Toledo, 44 in D.C., 2 in Kansas City, but you can see Minneapolis, Bismarck, Cut Bank in the negatives. And by the way, this is the actual air temperature. The feels like temperatures, wow, feeling around 16 below here in Toledo, around 26 below in Chicago, 36 below in Bismarck. So these colder temperatures are sticking around for quite a while. But let's bring you a little bit closer to home, show you what it feels like in your neighborhood. Again, everyone feeling into the negatives, feeling around -7 in Fremont, -11 in BG, Monroe. Wauseon seeing feels like temperatures right now around -18 degrees. So it's going to be a cold few days ahead as we're going to continue to track this Arctic cold sticking around. I mean, look at this. We'll slowly warm up by tomorrow morning, but still by then we're seeing those feels like temperatures remaining around -2 to -6 degrees. So if there's no reason for you to go outside, perfect time. Just hang out inside and just relax. But here's the thing, even though we're seeing extreme cold right here, we're not tracking any snow just yet. So we're thinking, okay, when's the snow going to arrive? If you wake up tomorrow morning around 8 o'clock, you're not going to see any snow on the ground that's fresh from this system. In fact, most of Saturday actually will just be cloudy and cold. Here's this time tomorrow. Those cloudy skies stick around. So if you have any plans throughout the morning, afternoon, here's 5 o'clock. If you're thinking for the snow by then, no, not the case. So again, most of Saturday looks to be fairly quiet. However, Saturday evening into those nighttime hours, this is when the system will move into northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. It'll be off and on throughout those nighttime hours, but then widespread snow showers develop late morning, early afternoon. I mean, look at this, the entire region seeing snow covered areas. It's going to stay snowing throughout the afternoon and throughout the evening. And then by the later evening hours into those nighttime hours, we finally get a break from the snow. But we're thinking, how much snow? Again, it just depends on where you are. The further north and west you are, 4 to 7 inches of snow is expected, which is still a lot of snow. But most of the area, 6 to 8 inches of snow from Toledo, Fremont, Findlay, all the way down towards Lima. But then the further east and south you are, Sandusky, Norwalk, Upper Sandusky, Mansfield, down towards Marion, Columbus, 7 to 10 inches of snow is expected. So if you need to go to the grocery store, get the snow plows ready, snow blowers ready today and tomorrow. Definitely the time to prepare. We're not trying to hype you up. We're not trying to scare you. We want you to be weather aware and be safe. And also, we want you to stay warm because we're staying cold, not only through the weekend, into next week, into the rest of the month. The rest of January is staying frigid. Today, we're seeing that high around 9 degrees. Temperatures continue to drop for tomorrow. Those snow showers arrive late Saturday into Sunday and Monday. Yes, there is a chance for a few more snow showers. Temperatures remain cold. Schools may be impacted on Monday as well, too. It really just depends. Just like today, some schools went on time, some were delayed, some were closed as well, too. So it really just depends on your school district. But then the rest of next week, going to be a cold one. Highs in the low to mid teens. Finally back to the 20s, which I never thought I would say. Finally back to the 20s for a slight warm up. It's still going to be cold by next Sunday. That's a look at your extended forecast.